instructor here at the University of Fraser Valley. We teach the aerospace program for structural repairs. You would learn the basics of sheet metal, composite construction, and repairs. And also we go into the older type of aircraft construction, tube, frame, wooden fabric, right from way back when till modern times right now with the composite structures on aircraft today.
Well, we're basically rebuilding this plane to a cosmetic extent. Just doing external patch repairs here, fixing basically the holes that were left in it from years of corrosion being left at airports. Kind of fabricated the sheet metal here, laid out all the rivet pattern, primed it all, threw it on the plane, and once it's all done, I guess we'll finish painting it up. And there's a big hole here, got cut out. A lot of the stringers were damaged inside of it, which is basically extruded aluminum. And so we had to replace all the stringers, do splices on all the stringers using rivets inside the plane, as you can see where the stringers would lie, where all the rivets are. And then just fabricated another piece of sheet metal aluminum to put on the outside and primed it up and riveted on there, also ready for painting. Okay, well, we got a bunch of rivets here. As you can see, there's a lot of different kinds. We have our flush head rivet, which lays actually flat against the side of the skin, so there's no protruding head at all. We have our protruding head rivets, which have a little bulb on top, and they would stick out of the plane. It doesn't give it exactly as much aerodynamics as the flush heads. Well, this here is inside the Lodestar, one of our ex-Prime Minister's private planes that he used to fly in. Just up here, you can see it isn't quite as luxurious as it once was. Seats are kind of taken out, floorboards are missing and all that, but you know, that'll get put back into place. And this here is his private bathroom, which there's not much left of. Okay, well, as you can see here, we don't only work on fixed-wing structures at aerospace, we also work on helicopters and rotary-winged units. And the inside here is completely stripped out of this old helicopter. There's not much left to it. You can see the nose isn't even on there. There's no cockpit or anything. But it needs a lot of structural repairs as there's a lot of corrosion happening inside here, and we're just going to make sure it's able to, well, I don't know about fly again, but possibly be restored to its old potential. In high school I was in woodworking and never got into sheet metal, so I figured this was kind of like, you know, another thing to add into my list of experience.
I like the challenge of working with my hands, and just overall I've been out of school for a long time, and I'm finding I have my moments, but mostly it's if you work hard you can get through it.
Small industry, everybody knows everybody. We usually know where you guys are working, so.
What for lunch?